What's going on, guys? It's Roors here. We've got a busy day ahead of us. We've got to get this IS200 finished up today because it's the Bash in 2 weeks and I don't have a free weekend. Next week is Birmingham for the BDC and the week after that is the Bash. This is the only free weekend I'm going to have. This is Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday obviously. So yeah, first of all we need to go to the post office, pick up some parts, and then we are going to the Lexus. God, I hate going to the post office. I mean, you have to drive all the way into the centre of town just to stand in a tiny little room full of weirdos, me included, to get your parcel. We were at the post office because I had to pick up some of these proper driftland toe straps. Oh yeah. These are for the Lexus. So it can be towed when I inevitably break it. So now we're going to head up to the... now we're going to head up to the garage, get some tools, and we need to go to the scrappies and get some parts for the IS. In fact, I'm going to give them a phone first.
Impossible to connect your call. Please try again later.
Great. Well, they're engaged. So we are going to go up to the garage, get some tools. We'll try them again before we leave the garage, and if not, we'll just head through anyway. It does say they have a couple on the website, but you know, I'd rather get there and make sure. I'd rather make sure for definite before I get there instead of driving all the way through and then their website being out of date or something. So yeah, we're going to drive up to the garage, get some tools. I'll phone them again. But yeah, that's the plan. So we're here at the garage now. I can't remember if I said what we're actually doing today. We're getting the IS200 Bash ready, basically. The Bash is in 2 weeks and the car's not ready. So yeah, I've got my toe straps, and the other thing we need, and why I'm going to Scrappies, is we need to get ourselves a standard driver's seat and some door cards, because if I have an accident in this car and I'm getting thrown about, the last thing I want to do is hit something sharp and hard on this door. Now as you can see, I've got like a Recaro-y thing in here, and I did want to try and make that fit, but to be honest, I just can't be bothered. As you can see, it's on some weird OMP universal bracket right now, but we need to like fab up stuff on the floor to make this fit, and even then it might be a bit high, so I've made the decision just to go and get a standard seat. Even though it might not hold me in all that great, I would rather the seat was actually like solid on the ground and wasn't going to fly about as I was driving, or if I have an accident, the seat's not going to basically snap. So yeah, we're going to go and get a standard seat and some door cards, so that if I do hit the door, I'm going to hit this much softer plastic of the door card and not the very, very hard and particularly sharp metal on the door. So I'm going to grab some tools. I'm going to give the breakers another phone just to see if they've actually got the stuff, or if they've got an IS200 there for braking. As I said, it does say on their website they've got like 4 different cars in, but I don't know how up to date their website is, so I'm going to give them a phone just now and see if they've definitely got one before I head all the way through there. Hi pal, listen, I'm looking for some, I'm just wanting to make sure you've got a car in stock before I come through and it's no there. I'm looking for a Lexus IS200.
What is it you're looking for that?
A driver's side seat and 2 front door cards.
Right, what year is that?
A 54 reg.
Right, I'm pretty sure we have. Give me 2 seconds.
No problem pal.
2004?
Yes.
Right, I will have somewhere, aye.
Right, perfect, I'll head through. Cheers pal. Thanks for that,
Cheers.
Bye. So before we head through, I'm going to do something that I've been meaning to try for a while, and that is try to fold these seats flat in the Focus. Now I know that these can actually lie flat. The bottom part of the seat folds up, these fold all the way down. Just a matter of how the hell you do it. And also that would just give me a lot of room in here to get the seat and maybe some door cards in. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you. And just like that, I've transformed my Focus ST into a van. Look at that. That's great. You know, if this was a little bigger, I could lie down and I would just camp in this thing for going to BDC. I've put this mat down. I actually have this mat to protect the back seats from the dog, but I figured it would work for the protecting the carpet from the seat as well. Okay, seats folded down. We're just about to leave for the scrappies, but look at the size of that bit. Like, that's beautiful. That's my wee tool bag there with some tools in it. But look at the size of that. I've never had a car this fucking practical. Wow, that's awesome. Think about the amount of tyres and stuff I could get in there. If only the thing could tow. Anyway, yeah, we're going to get through to the scrappies now. Get a seat, get some door cards. As you guys seen, I did speak to them. And they do have one. So, I'll see you guys through there. I don't know if you're really meant to film in these places, so I might have to sneak the camera in. Should be interesting. This rain better stop. I didn't bring a hoodie. Fuck. Okay, I've just arrived at the scrappies, so what I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the camera in the car, and we can use the good old iPhone. So while I'm in there, yeah, I'm going to be using the iPhone, so the quality might not be as good, but we'll at least we'll still get some footage. It just makes things easier in case I go in with the camera, I pull the camera out and someone says something, you know, you can't be in here with that or some shit. Anyway, I'm going to get in now and hopefully get some seats. I spoke to did say they had some in stock, but I can't seem to find any. The guy I seen when I got here said to have a look down this kind of area, but I can't actually see anything. So we're just going to have to wander until we maybe find one. Well, that was an epic fail. Phone the guy. Yeah, we've got one. Yeah, come in, look about. Can't see one. So, in other words, sports car breaker. Yeah, fuck you. You lied to me, and you've wasted my time. So thanks for that. And now I'm going to try and hunt down another scrappies. That's about shit. I did try and contact a couple of people I know with ISs, thinking, like, see if they might have had one. Chris Shan did say he had one, but it was still in a car at the moment. He's going to be ripping it out soon. I could possibly get it tomorrow, so he might come through with that and we might be able to get one off of him tomorrow, which kind of sucks because I wanted it today, hence why I just went to the scrappies. I didn't think it would be a really big deal. Yeah, I'm just annoyed because they did say they had some in stock. Obviously their website said they had some in stock, so I got already came through just to be told, oh no, I'm not sure if we have any of those, but feel free to go and have a look. And then of course they didn't have any. It's kind of annoying. You know, you tell someone you have one, you better fucking have one. I'm just going to head back to the garage. I might as well get these toe straps fitted, give me something to do today. Bit of a fail, but these things happen, I suppose. But right guys, we are on the phone because I left the camera in the car when I got back to the shed here. But oh, I can't believe this, like. So I thought on the way back, I was like, I wonder if I could switch the passenger side from the, well, put the passenger side standard seat and the driver's side, maybe do some custom stuff to make it fit. Like, I was thinking maybe you can switch the rails about, like, and then it would fit. No. The thing fucking fits, doesn't it? First try. All the holes line up perfectly. Every single hole lines up. It just sits perfectly. Obviously, this is now here, and that the adjustments are now on that side. But it fucking fits perfectly. I can't get over that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find a way to get this on that side. I mean, it doesn't matter because I can't actually take a passenger in the Bash anyway, but if I can get that on that side, then I've sorted it. I can't believe that. Well guys, I can't believe it, but I've done it. Yeah. Seats in. All four bolts bolted in. seat belt. Obviously adjusters are down here now, but you can still reach them all. I actually have a standard driver's seat. There you go. Fucking hell, and if I ever go ahead and get a bucket seat for this thing, I'll throw this back in the passenger side. Get an actual bucket seat rail for the driver's side. God. I actually can't believe that just worked out. I got incredibly lucky with that. Now I've got to see if I can fit these toe straps. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit since my last update. So what I've done is I've attached the front toe strap, and I'm going to show you exactly how I've done it. And well, actually I just copied Rennie's idea for his IS200 build. So I'll put the link to that down in the description. Go check that out, but it's a pretty simple process. I'll show you right now. So right here is the standard tow hook. This is the standard tow hook. This is the toe strap, and then you just make a little bit of metal, drill a hole, put a bolt for it, just like this. A little bit of metal, hole in it, and that just kind of gives it something to bolt to on the other side. I put a little washer here just to help it. You can see I've tucked it up through here, and it's coming up and coming out a little hole in the bumper here, and it's fucking on there. It's not going anywhere. Oh, you can see I went for the black one just to try and keep them a bit subtle. But you can see pulling it does nothing. So there we go, one toe strap's attached. Probably going to do this exact same process on the back, hence why I have this other metal plate. I'll show you me attaching that to the back. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Okay, I hope you guys can see that alright, but this is the tow hook here. I can't see the screen, so wait a minute. Yeah, if that's what you're seeing, then you're seeing right. So, really simple. Kind of annoying that you have to lie on the floor, it'd be much easier if you're on a ramp. Bolt, washer, thingy bobber, toe strap. Through there, on the metal, another washer on the other side, and a bolt, or a nut, sorry. And then just tighten that all down. 2 seconds. Okay, and now that that's nice and secure, I'm going to copy another Rennie technique. Drill 2 holes in the bottom of the bumper, cable tie the thing up like that, and it just sits nice and neatly. So I'm going to do that just now. There you go, just like that. A little cable tie around there. It just hangs there nicely, just like that. Look at that. Oh well. Right, been a little bit since the last update. Since the last update, I went ahead and I fitted the drift button. Now all this does, if you don't know what a drift button is, basically you build it out, and then yeah, it's just free to go, and then you dunk, push it up, and it stays up. So from what I've been told, the standard handbrake in these cars is actually really good. So I'm just not gonna bother with a hydro, and if this doesn't work on the weekend, I'll just clutch kick the fuck out of it. But yeah, I honestly can't believe that this seat just sat in, and all I had to do was kind of switch the seatbelt latch thing. I just got really fucking lucky with that. To be honest, I was just really lucky. I have ordered a driver's side door card, as I said. If I'm like driving this in the Bash, and then someone hits me from there, or someone hits me from there, and I go, oh, and I hit this. I would rather it was a nice softer piece of plastic than, you know, metal and plugs and stuff. So yeah, we've ordered that, we'll throw that on at some point. But other than that, I think it's pretty sorted. I did say I need the radiator. I have a radiator sorted, and I'm getting a spare one as well, because at the Bash, if I burst a radiator, which is very easily done, especially driving in very close proximity, I would prefer it to have a spare one there that I can just throw in. Yeah, I think I'm going to end this one here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the IS200 videos. This is it now, ready for the Bash. Next week I am going to Birmingham for the BDC. That should be pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to that. It looks like it's going to be a fucking big event. I think I might do a live stream while I'm there actually on the mobile. I think that could be pretty cool. Yeah. So next week's the Bash. Week after that is next week is BDC. The week after that is the Bash, and we're finally going to be driving this fucking thing. And I'm actually really buzzing to drive this thing. I think it's probably going to be a bit shit, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. I'm going to have to clutch kick the fuck out of it anyway, but that's for sure. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to end this one here, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.